Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your first file in the Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. If you're having or seeing this interface, I want you to quickly press on the big or large Photoshop icon. Alright, and we don't want this info or this panel info or properties here, so you click on the double arrows to collapse them. Then you head over to file or the menu bar, file, and then you click new. So we are going to create a document in pixels, and then we want to set the size to 1080 pixels by another 1080 pixels, and then make sure your artboard, okay, if it's checked, uncheck it so that it becomes plain like this. And then we are using the RGB color mode, so RGB, and we want the white background, so let's move on and create. So this is the workspace, and quickly, this is where we are going to draw everything we want to draw. Everything we want to draw is going to be done here. So I want you to go to the tool panel and then search for the rectangle tool. You search for the rectangle tool. The shortcut is U. Now once you click it, you see that the customize panel has changed. So you take note, and then you bring your cursor to your workstation. You click and hold, and then you drag towards any desired location depending on the shape you want to draw. I can draw a rectangle like this, and I can also draw a square. So whichever one you want to draw, once you are okay, you release the button. Then let us change the color to gold, and then give it a stroke of black. Let's give the stroke size as 10. Once you are done, you click on enter, and then you commit or accept your work. Alternatively, you can click on the move tool with the shortcut V. So this is how you can draw a shape. There are other features in the rectangle tool that you might want to consider. So we are going back again. This time around, I want you to click and hold. So click and hold, and for the option to come, then you select any shape. Let's say ellipse. Ellipse will help us to draw a circle, and we bring it back to a desired location. Let's draw like this, and then fill it with black, and then a white. Let's hit enter to accept our work. So this is where we end our lesson for today. Before we end, let me also mention that you can use this same tool to draw your rectangle or polygon. Let's say we are drawing a rectangle, so a rectangle has 3 sides. We come here, we make sure it is 3, okay, then you draw at any desired like this. Let's change the color, the fill, and then the stroke to black. So this is it. Now let's quickly head to the layer panel. Let's see how we can rearrange them. You see, this is the first design, and it is what? The rectangle. So let us move it, click and hold, and then move it above the ellipse one. You can see the ellipse has gone back, and now the rectangle is showing over the circle or the ellipse. The same way, if we bring it above the polygon, this is going to happen. And what if we bring the ellipse above the polygon? So this is how to draw tools basically, or draw shapes basically in Photoshop. And I want you to be playing around until you are comfortable. And if you also want to rotate the shape, you can send the cursor to the edge or any of the edges, and then you click and hold. You move it or turn it towards the direction that you want. Once you are okay, you hit enter to accept your work, and then remember to click the move to afterwards. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to end our class here for today. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to save the work you have done in the various formats. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.